Okay, so a little bit of work with real numbers. Classify each number as either positive or negative, as either rational or irrational, and does the number lie to the left or the right of 0 on the number line? So think of a number line. Here's 0, here's to the right, and here's to the left. Okay, so our first one is negative 10/3. So that's going to be negative. That's the first thing we have to say. It's going to be rational because it's as a fraction, right? Like 10/3. You could put it in a calculator, 10 divided by 3, it's going to be like 3.33333. It's going to be a repeating decimal. They don't care about that. And it's negative, so it's going to be to the left of 0 on the number line. Okay, B, the square root of 5. That is going to be positive because there's no negative in front of it. It is irrational because you can put it in a calculator and it's going to be like 2 point something. There's no number times itself that's 5. Since it's positive, it's going to be to the right of 0. All right, C, it's negative because it's got that negative in front. Okay. Notice the negative is in front of the radical. That's important. Is it irrational? Well, probably the easiest way to do this is on your calculator, go to the square root of 289. But I'm pretty sure that that's 17. And so I'm going to say it's rational because it simplifies to negative 17. Square root of 289 is 17. I just happen to know that. You could play around with it, though, if you suspected it. You know it's got to be bigger than 10, because 10 squared is 100, and less than 20, because 20 squared is 400. So if you wanted to think like that and kind of narrow it down, but it's rational. It is negative, so it's going to go to the left. All right. It's negative 6 pi. Well, it's going to be negative because of that negative on the 6. And that means negative 6 times pi. Now, pi is an irrational number. So multiplying it by 6, it's still going to be irrational. And because it's negative, it's going to be to the left. Can't spell left. Okay. My writing will get better. All right. Now, what about this last decimal here? It looks like it's repeating. I mean, it goes on and on. Let's see if it's repeating. 615384. 615384. That looks like it's repeating. It's the repetend. That was the word I couldn't remember. So yeah, it's got a repetend of 615384. And that's repeating decimal. Oh, by the way, it's positive. Oops. Positive. There's no negative sign out front. You don't have to put that bar over it. Just if you were writing it with the bar, that's where you would put it. Okay. It is rational because it's a repeating decimal. And since it's positive, it will go to the right. Okay.